What's up, check hook bitch motherfuckers? It's your boy Dobie Z. The next chip review is from the Philippines. I think it's Marty's Cracklin salt and vinegar vegetarian chicharon, old-fashioned style, gluten-free. Wait, guilt-free. Never mind. It is. Let's see, the 160 calories. Serving size 1 gram. Servings per container 3. Fuck. So let me get this straight. 3 of these are 160 calories, 20% saturated fat, 12% fat, 6% carbs, sodium 10%. Saturated fat's pretty bad, but who gives a fuck? Let's see the fucking ingredients. Dehydrated green peas, vegetable oil, that's fine. May consist of coconut oil, great. Palm, fuck. Shut up, Mom. Yes, I heard you, Mom. Tapioca starch, dehydrated potato, salt, sodium diacetate. No, you get the idea. It's soy protein. Fuck, this shit's gonna give me bitch titties. All that nasty shit. Oh, TBHQ. What the fuck is that? Added to retard rancidity. To slow rancidity? Okay. Contains soy. Where this place? This thing fucking sucks. Oh well, I'm gonna get bitch TVs already, as if I don't have any. Go ahead and try this. This. It's very thick. One thing about this shit. You get a thickly made chip. Pretty good value. This thing is at least, I think it's $2.50 at the Filipino market store. It's pretty good. Actually, it's very good. Salt and vinegar too. I wasn't a big fan of salt and vinegar, but dude, salt and vinegar is on point. It's increasingly becoming my favorite potato chip. But anyways, this is for all you Dobie Z fans out there, especially Phantom, who loves my chip reviews. Alright, well, follow me next time on my next review. We'll see another one that we have, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.